People often have some important friends with them in their lives. Some are his benefactors, some are his spiritual supports. Hello everyone, I'm David. Today I will tell you the benefits of friends and socializing. Why are friends so important? Because we believe that finding the right person will make us feel happy and fulfilled. Research shows that friends are actually more important to our psychological effects. Friends bring us more happiness in life than anything else. There are 6 benefits of friendship. 1. Spending time with happy and positive friends or accompanying the friends who have the same interests can keep a good mood. 2. Whether you want to exercise, quit smoking, or improve your life, being encouraged by friends can really improve your willpower and chances of success. 3. An active social life can strengthen your immune system and help reduce loneliness. And loneliness is the main cause of depression. 4. Even if you just share your problem with someone, a friend can help you to face a serious illness, unemployment, the death of your parents, relationship breakdown, or other challenges in life. 5. As you grow older, retirement, illness, and the death of your family members usually isolate you from the world. You can find someone to accompany you. As you grow older, friends can provide you with goals to alleviate depression, disability, and loss. 6. Friends can also temper each other. Through appropriate competition, we can improve our self-worth and self-identity. Now I told you some friendly social skills. Everyone can speak, but what are the speaking skills? This question sounds simple, but it's actually very knowledgeable. 1. Before you start expressing opinions or criticizing other people's opinions, it is important to thoroughly understand what the other person thinks and fully understand what they are saying. 2. You understand the other party's opinion, and you want to show the other party that you heard it. When the other person knows that you have given him or her enough respect, listening, and understanding, a connection will be established between you, and subsequent communication will be much easier. 3. Everyone has their own speaking habits, and sometimes they don't even know it. For example, you are distracted when the others are talking, or you are eloquent when you are talking, so that people can't dialogue. If you have similar habits, and if so, improve it. 4. Dialogue is not for criticism, so we want to understand each other. Don't use dialogue as a weapon to attack each other. 5. Face-to-face should be the best communication method. Communicating on the telephone lacks the opportunity to observe in person and rely on voice to convey information. Communicating with SMS is only text, not even sound. Therefore, face-to-face communication should be chosen as much as possible. 6. Last but not least, smiling is also a very important action in communication. If you are proficient in the above points, it will greatly improve and help interpersonal relationships. There are some signs of a true friend. 1. A truly supportive friend will love you for the person you are, flaws and all. That doesn't mean friends have to agree with each other all the time. In fact, different outlooks can help expand our horizons. Still, a true friend will accept you and even find beauty in your quirks and imperfections. 2. Life has its ups and downs. Having supportive friends can help us get through the hard times. 3. In going through life, a friend's support not only matters during the hard times. A friend means someone who genuinely wants to see you succeed. Unfortunately, disingenuous people may feel insecure and want you to fail. But a true friend celebrates your accomplishments and feels happy to see things go well. 4. Sometimes our hectic schedules make it difficult to see our friends as much as we would like. A best friend will treat you as a priority and set aside quality time to catch up, whether through a phone call, stopping by the house, or even hop on a flight to see you. 5. If you choose your friends right away, you will surround yourself with people who share your values. Sometimes we may not notice ourselves falling off track. A good friend will help us make the right choice, even if that means saying something we don't always want to hear. 6. We should all work to become the best version of ourselves, and a good friend will support you in working toward personal improvement, whether it means cutting out unhealthy habits, pursuing a dream job, or cultivating a creative outlet. Friends will give us the motivation to help follow through with the things we want to achieve. Q&A time. 1. Which is the best of friendship? A. Smile. B. Help you achieve your goals. Z. A real friend celebrates life with you. The answer is B. 2. Which is friendly social skills? A. Improve mood. B. Improve speaking habits. C. Improve self-worth. The answer is B. 3. Which is sign of the true friend? A. Reduce stress and depression. B. True friend will make the time to see you. C. Don't criticize others for the purpose. The answer still B. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you. At last, may our friendship be everlasting.